Hello everybody, and thank you very much for tuning in to have a little listen here. This is my 1993 Saab 900. It's a turbo convertible. It's the light pressure turbo, so without the intercooler, but it is the B202 engine. And I really needed a new exhaust system for it, but when it came to actually listening to what it sounds like with the aftermarket systems fitted, there wasn't really much to go on. So I thought I would record a before and an after. So with a standard Klarius system and with a new Jetex system that I in the end went for, so that you guys could have the opportunity to hear a before and an after, and hopefully it will help you guys make a decision. There is quite a lot of choice out there. I was aware of the Abbott racing system, but from what I was hearing feedback wise, it's quite a noisy system. So my decision to go for something a little bit less noisy was driven by that primarily. I do use the car for commuting and certain long journeys, and it's also not heavily modified, so it doesn't help to have an extremely loud exhaust system. But I did want something that was a little bit more sporty sounding. Anyway, here is what the original exhaust sounded like. So overall, I'm really happy with how this exhaust system sounds and how it functions. The fit was really good. I had it fitted by TR Autos in Yeovil, and this particular system, although yes, it is louder than a standard system, it's not obnoxiously loud. It doesn't sound as quiet as stock, and so you will hear it when you're cruising along at 70 miles an hour. If you've got a light pressure turbo like mine, then you'll have the Type 6 primaries, which does make the engine rev quite high at 70 miles an hour, so that's something to consider. But even in the ragtop, it's not obnoxious and unpleasant. I suppose most importantly, an exhaust system is quite a personal thing, so it will be subjective as to whether or not you think it's too loud or too quiet. But hopefully this has given you an indication of what it will sound like. The note is definitely deeper. I find it particularly nice. I don't appreciate a quiet exhaust system, but I don't appreciate them stupid loud. So this has been a really good halfway house for me. Do consider obviously the extra cost because it is only a half system, not a full system like a lot of the other Jetex systems available. So just bear in mind that you will be replacing more than just what is provided in the Jetex box. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel, and yeah, hope to see you again.